Hello, it's me again. I'm going to show y'all how to bake a tater for with your microwave. We're going to do 2 taters today. What you do, you get your paper towel, and you just wrap them up in your paper towel, and that's going to seal up your moisture in there. Then you put them on a plate, just add a little water, just enough to wet your paper towel good. You put them in your microwave, and I know my microwave, so it's going to need about 8 minutes. It's usually about 5 minutes per potato. So that's all you got to do to bake them. They come out perfect every time. Bye-bye now.